Good morning to everyone. Now we are going to see about the thermochemical conversion by gasification in the subject of biochemical and thermochemical conversion of biomass. These are the biomass gasification means. The term gasification means incomplete combustion. This is a basic term. Incomplete combustion means if we are combusting the biomass with the insufficient air or insufficient oxygen environment, then the hydrocarbon in the biomass converted into the incomplete combustion products like CO2 and methane gas. These are the incomplete combustion products. Next is the table is the form product. What are the biomass are in the forms. Next is the product of biomass. Product of biomass is the methane, producer gas. And producer gas main composition is carbon monoxide, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, methane. Like that, and sustainable natural gases. Okay. Biomass conversion. Biomass conversion means low energy density and inconvenient form of biomass are major barriers to the rapid transmission of from fossil fuel to biomass fuel. Because it is a biomass having a lower calorific value and the quantity of biomass is large. When we run a plant as a hot plant, we need thousand tons of biomass. We need a large amount of biomass quantity, but we have a biomass in a widespread area, not a single point source. It is a widespread area. The transportation and cultivating transportation is very much more difficult for a biomass process. This is the chart for the biomass conversion. First we have seen about the biochemical route and thermochemical route. In biochemical route, digestion and fermentation. In thermochemical route, we have a pyrolysis, gasification, liquefaction and combustion. Biochemical route, we have anaerobic and aerobic digestion. And thermochemical route, we have a final product, supercritical water, air, oxygen, steam. Chemistry of gasification. Chemistry of gasification means in pyrolysis, carbonization, gasification, liquefaction. These all processes are done with less amount of oxygen, inefficient combustion or incomplete combustion of biofuels or biomass, incomplete combustions. But what the ratio of oxygen is supplied, how much amount of incomplete oxygen or insufficient oxygen are supplied. Based on that, these processes are differentiated. Combustion biomass gasification means the oxygen supplied is around small quantity lower than the stoichiometric combustion. For a pyrolysis means it is very less. We seen that liquefaction, gasification, what is the pressure range in the gasification and torrefication, combustion. Maybe the catalyst used, catalyst not used. For liquefaction purpose, we use a catalyst converting the reaction faster. Next is the combustion pyrolysis. Pyrolysis means the biomass are rapidly heating biomass above 300 to 400 degrees Celsius. We maintain in the combustion chamber biomass at 300 to 400 degrees Celsius. Then it is a pyrolysis process. Mainly the charcoal and bio oil formed in the pyrolysis process. Next is the torrefication process. Torrefication process, the combustion chamber biomass are heated to the 200 to 300 degrees Celsius with a little contact of oxygen, with no or little contact of oxygen. Torrefication means the oxygen amount contact with the biomass are very less. Next is the gasification combustion zone. In gasification combustion zone, the biomass are converted into mostly all the fuels having a hydrocarbon component. The hydrocarbon component, carbon react with oxygen and forms CO2. Hydrogen react with oxygen forms 2H2O. It is the actual combustion. But in insufficient air, carbon formed with oxygen and carbon dioxide. Further, it converted into carbon dioxide into carbon monoxide. The gasification normally takes place at the temperature of 1450 degrees Celsius. In this reaction, in gasification reaction zone, previous it is a combustion zone. In combustion zone, In combustion zone, carbon forms as the carbon dioxide combined with oxygen forms as the carbon dioxide, and hydrogen combined with the oxygen forms as a water vapor. Then the reaction zone, the oxygen supply are very less. The temperature is around 1000 degrees Celsius, and the dissociation reactions are takes place. because in hydrocarbon in the fuels, it does not having any oxygen, or it not having any oxygen to react, so that it decompose reaction takes place, and the carbon plus carbon dioxide react and two carbon monoxide forms. Next, carbon plus hydrogen, water vapor react with and forms a carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Similar reaction takes place. In this we have a carbon monoxide, hydrogen, methane is as a fuel for our gasified gas. Next one is the pyrolysis zone. Pyrolysis zone means it intricate process is still not completely understood. Pyrolysis zone means the temperature between the 200 to 280 degrees Celsius, around 280 to 500 degrees Celsius. In the temperature range, it is the upper part of the gasification zone. In this part, the biomass converted into the liquid oil or biochar or liquid oil. This is some percentage. What are the biomass and what is the gasification type preferred? There are three types of gasification methods. First one is the down draft gasifier, up draft gasifier and cross draft gasifier. These are the three types of gasification methods. Based on the different biomass gasifications are utilized. It's up draft gasifier, down draft gasifier. And for charcoal, down draft gasifiers are preferred. For wood, up draft gasifiers are preferred. Next is the temperature of gas. On an average, the temperature of the gas leaving the gasifier is about 300 to 400 degrees Celsius. Types of gasifier is the updraft gasifier or counter current gasifier. The oldest and simplest type of gasifier is the counter current or updraft gasifier. The air intake at the bottom of the gas leaves the top of the updraft gasifier means air sent to the gasifier at the bottom of the gasifier and leaves the top side of the gasifier. And the biomasses are feed into the gasifier through the top of the gasifier. This is a schematic diagram of gasifier. Top is the feed material, biomass are feed into the top of the gasifier, and the produced gas are escape from the gasifier from the top, or taken out from the gasifier from the top. The first zone is the drying zone, next is the distillation zone, another one is the reduction zone, another below is the error zone and grade zone. Grade zone is where the combustion takes place. Reduction zone is the reduction reaction takes place, and distillation zone means it's making like pyrolysis product. Okay. In drying zone, the moisture and the biomass start removing. In drying zone, temperature around 140 degrees Celsius, all the moisture content in the biomass are removed.